The adoption of these digital technologies have been phenomenal in the last 2 years. One statistic I will cite is a study of the financial inclusion of PSP. So we show that 60% of those with mobile phones and internet access performed financial transactions online compared to 17% in 2019. Now, that presents opportunities as well as challenges. Opportunities because financial inclusion, more access to digital services, but on the other hand, there are challenges like security, trust, and lack of knowledge. So that's why one of the things that financial services companies need to do is really to educate the consumers, how to use the services, how to protect themselves against possible breaches. The breaches can be both internal and external. And we have seen glitches among big banks in the past. And these glitches, of course, running based on technology failures. Because the financial services right now are mostly digital, and they're running in the cloud, many of them. So it's open to potential quote unquote glitches. So it can be because of the technology itself, luma na, or kaya man-made. Yung financial institutions, they treat this as a one-off event. So depending on the gravity, it becomes a crisis. Kaya si BSP, ang prescription ng BSP dyan, kailangan mag-file ng complaint sa financial institution. It can be a bank or an insurance company. Kailangan mag-file sila sa right channel. So dapat yung mga financial institutions should give the contact details. If there's any issue that they encountered, nagkaroon ng problem sa accounts, transfer of money, transactions, kailangan alam nila kung saan sila pupunta. It can be a chatbot, it can be an email or a number. Financial institution kasi it's regulated by the Bangko Sentral. If it's an insurance company, the Insurance Commission. So they are strictly governed by the rules by these organizations. Kaya meron din silang SOP. So pag nagkaroon ng problem, sinong kailangan tawagan. These are documented in organizations. It can be maybe big and small institution. So importante lang that they are communicated properly to consumers. Kailangan available yan and you mentioned social media earlier. Kailangan gamitin yung social media by these institutions para to communicate this to as wide consumer base as possible. So alam mo, magandang pag-usapan to paano yung breaches kasi ang mas maraming instances compared sa glitches. Yung breaches mas maraming statistically mas marami. Sabi nga ng Boston Consulting Group, sabi nila financial sector firms are 300 times more likely than other companies to be targeted by cyber attack. Tapos marami na rin pag-aaral globally na ang financial institutions have been subject to breaches. Maraming issues like authentication issue. It can be breaches ng mga hackers. So malware are also big issues. Kaya importante that consumers also educate themselves. Karamihan ng mga nangyaring breaches are human error, Ibig sabihin, it can be caused by internal neglect ng mga employees or kaya neglect ng mga consumers. Kaya importante rin na ang financial institutions, they educate their internal employees and they also educate the consumers. Like for example, yung mga haphazard na downloading ng mga app. Di ba, magpapasok ka ng mga password, phishing that we know. Nakukuha ng details. You have to be careful and be critical of those. Hindi basa-basa tayo magbibigay ng ating credentials, especially bank account details.